From a dream so small, with faith in our hearts, we started a journey, a brand new start. Through every struggle, through every prayer, Allah's mercy showed us He was always there. Every meal